Hey guys, welcome back. Evan with the Swing Trade Pros team here. In this short video, I'm going to show you guys some great trade setups that can generate some nice profits for you guys here in the short term. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you guys hit that like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button towards the middle or end of the video if you guys really do enjoy these videos. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going to start with SXP. This trade setup was actually given on Saturday around this $1.30 area. Now, come on guys, this is the signature Evan trade setup here. This is a falling wedge. As you guys can see, I have plotted out here. We have our downsloping demand line and our downsloping supply line, right? And as you guys can see, the supply line was broken with a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, now I saw this happening before this happened because I saw not only did we get a MFI buy signal. By the way guys, this is not an STP indicator. It is actually a free indicator, and I do encourage you guys to put this on your guys' charts. Go to indicators here and type MFI plus RSI. This is actually this indicator, and to me, this also just helps me in understanding not only when we get a daily signal like this is actually obviously pretty significant, and then you guys can see obviously the type of pattern that we're in, right? So you guys want to see that. You also want to look at the MACD and the oscillator. You can see that we had some clear divergence here, even though we didn't have another histogram island here. We do have, obviously lower levels of negative momentum here with lower prices, right? Lower levels of negative momentum with lower prices is a divergence, right? And you guys can see here on the oversold MACD or RSI as well, right? So we're oversold here on the 23rd, and obviously we're just getting a nice little bounce out, which generated a nice 30-35% move to the upside. Okay. Now make sure you guys, if you guys haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell if you guys did take this trade, and congratulations to those people that did. I'm going to show you some real-time results here from our alert service group here that people did take this trade setup, and we're very successful in taking profits as well. All right, so here you go. SXP 15% gain last night in my sleep. All right, this was yesterday at 1 p.m. All right, obviously my own trade, I made about 12.5%. I think I got to this third take profit here, and I just got out of the trade around $1.84. It'll probably go higher though. I can reaccumulate back now on the back test here, right? So this is SXP. I'm going to show you guys the link trade setup as well that was posted a couple days ago before it moved out. Again, what are we in, guys? This is another falling wedge type pattern. Again, the MFI did flash a buy signal here. We were at one of the bottom trend lines here on the RSI bands, and this is overall another great trade setup because, again, we got this signal here, we got the cross up on the MACD, and we were showing signs of regular bullish divergence. Okay, so you want to have all those factors playing into the setup. Otherwise, you're not going to get a big move, and you're going to be kind of upset with yourself and, oh, why didn't the trade go well, and yada yada yada. I've been there, right? We've all been there. So this trade setup was actually given a couple days ago on this daily buy MFI buy signal that we got. Okay, this was given on September 24th. You guys can see right here, or maybe September 23rd. It looks like it was 2 in the morning when I posted it. Okay, sorry. So it was very late at night. I gave an entry between 8:30 and 8:50, and take profits all the way up to 1075, the major 382 fib extension. Now, what is the 382 fib extension, guys? That's what I want to explain to you guys here. Okay, so the 382 fib extension is usually an area of the starting area where we can see reversals to the downside. Obviously, we're trading this to the upside, so it's gonna retrace, right? So you would start with your fib tool here on the left side, trading view, fib retracement, and go from your wick to wick. So the top of this wick to the bottom of this wick, okay? And what do you know? We got exactly to this 382 fib extension, which is exactly where I had the trade setup posted to. Now, we could just consolidate here and maybe come back down and then make another leg up, right? But this trade was just to get to the 382 fib extension, which is exactly where we got to. And if you guys like this content, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell. All right, I'm gonna go through one more trade setup here, opportunity for you guys. And if you guys would like to join the alert service, make sure you guys do so. Click the link in the description below. The Discord link will take you to our channel, and you can type !buy alerts in the main chat, or any of the chats actually, and you'll get prompted by our STP bot. Okay, so here you go on Algorand, another beautiful falling wedge trade setup here. I'm actually currently in this position. As you guys can see right now, I'm up $460, almost 7.75% on this trade setup. I have hit one of my take profits here at 34.2 cents. Okay, so like right around this area, I did set a take profit because I did draw this line, this weekly, and this is going to act as some brief resistance for right now. We don't have it on the STP, support resistance areas. So in theory, this could actually get up to 50 cents, which is the daily resistance area that formed here on September 2nd. Okay, now if we take our fib tool again, right, we're gonna fib from the top, which is this wick up here, down to the said bottom. Either way, we only know that this is a bottom if we get above the 236 fib extension, okay? Now the 236 fib extension is kind of right where we're at right now, but we're above it. So technically, you could say that this is a valid pattern because we are above the 236 fib extension. Where do I think we're going, guys? Well, let's measure it out. Price range tool, bottom of the wedge to the top of the wedge or the top of the wick is signaling about 107% measured move. Typically, we do about half that move in the wedge. Okay, so we're looking at I'm gonna put it to 107, but I'm gonna venture to guess that we get anywhere in between the 382 to the 618 fib extension. Okay, so anywhere from 39 cents to 50 cents. I actually have my last sell at 49 cents. I have a sell at 40 and a sell at 49, and right now I'm up $457. If you guys like this content and you guys want me to put more outlet just like this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick that little bell, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.